I'm Natalia, and in this video I'm going to share with you my experience of using different types of baby carriers. I personally use two different types of baby carriers. One is baby wrap and another one is structured baby carrier. I'm satisfied with both of these. They are both very useful, made my motherhood much easier. But in this video I decided to mention different pros and cons which I've experienced while using these carriers. So you guys please watch this video till the end and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I'll try to help you. So first of all, I'm going to start with the baby wrap. And here's my baby wrap. Let me just show you. So baby wrap is basically a very long piece of cloth, a piece of fabric, which you wrap around your body, then you keep your baby inside. And it's very comfortable. I'm using Boba baby wrap. This is a very good brand. You can see the fabric is stretchable. It's very soft. You can see it's quite thick. So the only negative point for me was actually that this fabric is a little bit too thick because I live in India and obviously it gets very hot here. So make sure before you buy any kind of wrap, make sure that you consider your climate, and if it's a summer baby, then maybe this fabric will be a little bit too much hot for you. Then otherwise baby wrap is something extremely amazing. I personally prefer it over any kind of wrap. It is so much comfortable. It gives so much comfort both to you and your baby. It's just unbelievably helpful. So guys, baby wrap is something I really suggest you to go for. Plus you can use this baby wrap right after your baby is born. It can be used with a newborn baby. Alright guys, now let me show you how to wrap this baby wrap around you. First of all, I'm going to find the middle. In my case, tag is in the middle, so it's very easy to find. I'll have to spread the ends of my baby wrap. And now I'm going to create a cross on my back, just like this. I'm bringing the sides of the wrap behind me. And I'm keeping them on my shoulders, just like this. So you can see the perfect cross is there. Now I'm bringing the ends together and I will pull them through the middle, just like this. So now both of the ends are pulled through. We'll pull them a little bit, fix it, make it more tight or loose, whichever you prefer. And now I'm going to create a cross down here, just like this. And I will tie it up on my hips. You can see how long it is. Alright guys, now it is fixed. You can see it's wrapped all around your body, and you can see that it's looking not too bad. I mean, it's not the most fashionable baby wrap which you can find out there in the market, but I actually prefer it over structured baby wrap as it's more feminine. It can go with some of the outfits, you can play with colors, and it can look a little bit better than the structured baby wrap, which looks too much sporty to me. Let me use my doll because my baby Alexander is not interested in sitting in this wrap anymore. This is the kind of wrap we use right after baby is born, and now he's like too much big for it. So I'll just show you with my doll Maria. So you basically have to put the baby legs inside, both of the sides, and under this strap as well. Now you're gonna wrap your baby just like this, and we're done. So of course, since this doll is not very perfect size, it's looking too much tight, but I will just mention some benefits. First of all, it takes the shape of both mother and the baby, so this is why it's so perfect. Also, this wrap make sure that baby is not too low, so you can always control baby breathing if there is no problem, because this is obviously very important. Because of course you don't want to damage baby spine. You need to make sure that M shape legs are always kept in M shape. This is one of the most important things, probably the most important things. And then easily I will take out my doll, and it's same. I don't have to open it again. Now I can keep my baby inside again and continue doing this at least few times. You won't have any problem. You don't have to open it and wrap it again and again. This is really plus point. If you're looking for a baby carrier, baby wrap is something to go for. Now I'm going to show you another baby carrier which I've been using, and that is Infantino baby carrier. This is how it looks. Guys, I will be honest with you, I do not like sporty looking structured baby carriers, but unfortunately all the structured baby carriers look like this. They have lots of straps and very sporty, looks a little bit like parachute. But let me still show you. So this baby carrier is very good. It's 4-in-1. All the straps are fixing very easily, and trust me, you want easy when it comes to baby carrier, because once me and my friend were trying to wear her baby carrier and it was so much complicated, we didn't manage, we just wasted our time, babies were crying, it was horrible. So you can see how easily it can be fixed. Now this baby carrier will be great for someone who is a little bit older, maybe some baby who is already sitting. I wouldn't advise this baby carrier for a newborn. It doesn't provide that much of support, that much of comfort as baby wrap does. But you can see the quality is very good. Some baby who is a little bit older will definitely enjoy it. So let's put my Maria in there and see her reaction. You see, Maria is totally comfortable. There is lots of space for her to move around. But this wrap can be used also in the front position. So if you guys are looking for some structured baby carrier, then Infantino brand is just amazing. If you compare structured baby carrier to baby wrap, I would say these are completely different things. Different feeling is there whenever you wear them. Structured baby carrier is more sporty type. Maybe if you go for longer walks, then this is better option. Baby wrap for me is more like a love and spending time together, because it gives more of support. It just hugs you and your baby and it unites together. So it's a different feeling. I would say go for baby wrap if you have a newborn baby, and go for structured baby carrier if your baby is a little bit longer, or combine them just like I did. Whenever I feel like wearing this one, I used to take this one, and whenever I used to wrap my baby in the baby wrap and go out somewhere. So let me remove it. It's easily removable. Alright guys, I hope this video was useful for you. I've mentioned some of the pros and cons which I've experienced while using different types of baby carriers, baby wrap and structured baby carrier. Both of the carriers are very good. They're both by nice brands. One is Infantino, another one is Boba Baby Wrap. I will attach the links below where you can find them on Amazon. And I hope you like this video guys. Please let me know in comments below if you have any questions. Bye.